but I didn't want to be a mobile app developer. And then we said, well, there's so many of these digital tools that doctors or hospital systems want their patients to do. Read this, watch this, download this, use this to manage your diabetes or behavioral health or XYZ. And so we thought that putting these third-party tools into this patient portal would lead to greater adoption and usage. And then continuing to work backwards from there, there was no easy way for a doctor to recommend or click a button or prescribe or refer the patients to the right tools and the recommendation algorithms as to what tool is appropriate for what patient against what clinical condition or disease state. And so then we built some tool for the doctors to prescribe it. But then since everything's digital, we round-tripped and said, well, geez, I can track if the patient read it, watched it, is using it, what their device or app data is saying, and bring that back to the doctors to show. And then we came up with, so it was a very iterative process that led to wow, I've got this platform capability that now can let a doctor or nurse recommend a patient do something digitally and then track whether they did it or didn't do it, and then use that aggregate data for better recommendation logic to prescribe things. And ultimately, we thought that would become a big platform level play. It was an unmet need in the world of healthcare, and the rise of digital and digital health was only going to continue to increase in the world of healthcare and hospital system adoption and patient engagement. So we launched that 4 years ago, spinning it out of Providence. And then with COVID, hitting, and it just, further exacerbated and accelerated the rise of digital health.